Salutations! We are here today at Universal. We're here to ride the velocicoaster. Oh my goodness, we have been waiting so long for this. So long. And there's nobody here yet. We're super early, as you can see. But we gotta get that good spot. I mean, it's the velocicoaster. We've only been waiting 3 years to ride this thing, so we might as well get here to be one of the first people to ride it in the morning. But we got ours for 9 a.m., so let's go and check out this new coaster, shall we?
The message should be that no, we don't plan to, so more surprise. We want it to be more of a surprise.
Social distancing.
We made it.
Thank you.
There's a bunch of other people here, just as crazy as me, to get here a little bit over an hour before our time, but it's gonna be worth it. I guarantee it. It's not gonna be a bad ride, but it is 100 degrees already. It's freaking hot. Let's do this. It'll be worth it. Moments left before we go. The line stretches a little back there, just a little way back there. So we're all here. We made it, guys. We're here. It's time. This looks so amazing. Hello. Oh, we've been waiting forever. Oh, I sure will. Oh, look at this.
Welcome, folks.
This looks so amazing, guys. Look at that. Hello. Oh, it looks so nice. So nice. You got the test seat over there. I sure will. Oh man. Let's take a look at this queue. Oh dude.
Oh yeah, you can just
I'll take it from here. Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real live raptors. The name Velociraptor means swift thief. Not only are they fast, their bite is equivalent to a large American alligator. Yikes! That means we can't retrieve any lost items from the paddock once they're gone. I'm here to help keep you and your belongings safe during your raptor run today.
Mr. DNA.
Attention all Jurassic World personnel, good morning. As of 8:51 a.m., Jurassic World Velocicoaster is 10-8 for the day. Have a great day, everyone.
And here you can see the launch. Raptor training room 1 and 2. And then look, Dr. Malcolm, Alan Grant's book.
Oh, without that, I would say Velociraptor free.
That's the guns in case they get out of hand.
For your safety and the safety of our Raptors, all loose articles must be placed in lockers, including cell phones, wallets, bags, and loose change.
Good.
To rent a locker, please scan your park ticket at a locker station that has a green light. Remember to keep your ticket with you at all times. You will need your park ticket to re-enter the locker after arriving.
Hi.
Hello.
You're gonna do locker bay number 1. Locker bay number 8, all the way around the corner. Make sure you put everything away.
Alright, thank you.
And once you guys are done, just remember your folder.
There is a sign to that ticket. You won't be returning to this room. So you remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection.
I'll see you when we get back.
Make sure to empty any beverages into the safe.
Alright guys, we just got off. That was amazing. So amazing. There was like, you were out of your seat the entire time. The barrel roll over the water was so amazing. But let's go check out the store that they have here. Turn this into a store.
You can come back to me.
Alright. The DNA place is closed, but I got tons of awesome merch.
What'd you think?
Tons and tons of stuff. take a moment to sit here and talk about how amazing this roller coaster is. Oh my goodness. This is the #1 roller coaster in Florida. This is the best. I mean, there's no topping this. There's no doing better. Like, this is amazing. So good. So good. Oh, like crazy. But don't just take my opinion for it. Let's go ask everybody else that rode today and see what their opinions are. But mine, 300% should ride this. Like, this is amazing. But let's go see what everybody else thinks. And that's gonna do it for our amazing trip to ride the velocicoaster. We were one of the first people to ride it, other than team members, of course. And I talked to some of the team members, and some of them people rode it 40 times, so I got a lot of catching up to do. 40 times, but holy crap, it was amazing. But man, is it so hot. I had to stop doing what I was doing. I was trying to get people's reactions, but it's too hot. Way too hot. I'm overheated. I gotta sit down and relax in the AC for a while. But can't wait for it to open up. This is my new favorite roller coaster and around. Like, man, the barrel roll over the water, the 0 to 70, oh my goodness, it's just amazing. Can't wait for you all to ride it. But if you like what I do, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification down there so you know when we go on more adventures. And tomorrow's adventure is White Castle. I'm excited. There's never been one. I've never been to one. So exciting. Let's go. Until then, later days.